Is getting ready to decide some of its biggest cases of the term.
The opinions that will soon be released cover some of the most contentious issues. Shannon is here with a look at what's expected. Shannon.
Good morning, Hannah and Brandon. The High Court has 10 opinions left to release over the next week before those justices begin their summer break. Some of the issues include gay rights, affirmative action, and student loans. So let's start there. The justices will decide the fate of President Biden's plan to wipe away or reduce student debt held by millions of Americans. When the court heard arguments in the case in February, conservative justices seemed ready to overturn it. Those who back loan forgiveness argued the plaintiffs don't have the right to sue in the first place. The High Court also considering 2 cases looking to bar colleges and universities from considering race in admissions. The Supreme Court has previously approved of the use of affirmative action in higher education in decisions reaching back to 1978. But the justices' decision to take the cases suggests a willingness to revisit those rulings.
Many people are afraid of that we could be undoing a half-century of diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives around the country.
If you're giving some people a leg up because of their race, that means you're also just giving some people a leg down.
The justices also took up a case involving a Christian graphic artist in Colorado who objects to making wedding websites for same-sex couples. The law requires public businesses provide services to all customers, but the artist argues it's against her beliefs. During arguments in the case in December, the court's conservative majority sounded sympathetic to her arguments, and religious plaintiffs have won a series of victories at the High Court in recent years. Opponents fear a win in this case will lead to future discrimination against other groups as well. This week is set to be the tentative last public court sessions before summer recess, but that could extend into July depending on the caseload. Hannah.